It's simple, it's strong, and despite its age, it still holds its place in the most demanding applications. Natural rubber isn't a relic, it's a survivor. Harvested from the Hevea brasiliensis tree, natural rubber begins its life as latex, gently drawn from beneath the bark. Unlike synthetics refined from oil, this elastomer comes directly from nature, yet its performance still rivals even the most advanced compounds. Natural rubber is flexible, tough, and resilient. It absorbs shock, isolates vibration, and stretches without tearing. Its long uniform polymer chains give it outstanding fatigue resistance and dynamic strength. That's why it remains the material of choice for suspension bushings, industrial rollers, mining and aircraft tires, and vibration mounts, anywhere parts are exposed to constant stress and flexing. But natural rubber isn't only about numbers or specs, it's about feel. It delivers a progressive compression response. In a vehicle, that means smoother handling and better ride comfort. In bushings, it means quieter operation and sharper control. And it's sustainable. Natural rubber is renewable, more biodegradable than synthetic alternatives, and harvested using techniques that aim to balance yield with environmental care. It is one of the few elastomers with a truly natural origin. Resistant to water by its very nature, it was once prized for waterproofing, and it still performs reliably in wet, mechanically demanding environments today. But it has limits. It degrades in oil, fuel, ozone, and sunlight. In harsh environments, it can swell, crack, or harden before its time. That's why engineers don't choose rubber blindly. They match the material to the mission. When the need is for grip, flexibility, and endurance, without heavy chemical or UV exposure, natural rubber remains the best possible choice. Sometimes the oldest material is still the most trusted. Next, we'll explore a synthetic rubber designed to survive exactly where natural rubber fails. Its name is EPDM,